In this video, we'll see what Kafka is and how does it work. Imagine a user trying to book movie tickets. It is designed such that user directly interacts with the booking service and the service directly interacts with the database. Now imagine the same situation but with multiple users. So multiple users are trying to book movie tickets. Now based on the app's architecture, those many requests will directly hit the booking service. Since all of this will happen concurrently, it will increase the load on the service, which might even result in the crashing of the application. One of the ways to handle the situation is by introducing Kafka. So, Kafka in between the incoming requests and the booking service will help ease the load on the service. Since the request will be stored in Kafka before being picked up by the booking service for further processing. But what is Kafka? Kafka is an open source distributed event streaming platform that is designed for transfer of data. Remember the words distributed event streaming. Now let's look at the architecture. We'll be making use of post office analogy, where there is a person, letter, post office, a tray, and a clerk. So the person sends those letters to the post office, which get stored in a tray and are processed by a clerk. Now, using the same analogy, let's look at the person. A person here will be a producer in Kafka terms, which is the client application that is producing the data. Let's look at letter now. This is the data object created by the producer containing the message to be written. Here, post office will be broker in Kafka terms. A broker is a server that stores the messages from the producers and delivers them to the consumers. A Kafka cluster could have one or more brokers for fault tolerance and scaling. Here, this tray can be thought of as partitions. Partitions allow Kafka to horizontally scale so that messages can be stored and processed in parallel. Lastly, let's look at clerk. Clerk here is the Kafka consumer that is reading the data from a topic and remembers the topic by its name. Kafka is used in almost all of the day-to-day large-scale application, for instance, Uber and Netflix. Both of these applications use Kafka for real-time processing and streaming of data. You can find more such videos on systemdesignsimulator.com, and thank you for watching.